Hello, my name is Arjun Bhattacharya. I'm currently working as supply chain manager at Reliance Retail. I manage the business of Agio. On daily basis, I have to make sure whatever you are ordering from Agio is reaching to you on time. And when you are placing a return on those kind of product, it's reaching back to me on time while making it more cost effective way. The product management connects to people, any simple kind of product, it connects to people. If you are not able to design that particular product well, if you are not able to market that particular product well, it won't sell. So yeah, the product sits at the core of the business, and to have a connection with that core of the business, I want to join this product management. Well, to be frank with you, I had already gone through the other's perspective, like some other well-established schools in India. While I was browsing through their catalogs and their programs, I found it to be more into the theoretical part of it, where as this point of career, where I am more than 5-10 years old in the industry and have more than that much of experience, I need more hands-on experience. So more hands-on based on course, it's Institute of Product Leadership was giving me that opportunity to have this hands-on the course kind of thing. Having assignments. Every course you will have one assignment, one capstone. So that's in the ICPM itself, that makes you 5 assignment and 5 capstone project. That's a huge boost of your profile, and that's why this program stood out among the all other prospects. Plus, there is a one-to-one interaction with my professors, one-to-one interaction with the mentors, to be with this connect with the industry leaders and the most prominent ones. So these are the very unique perspective of Institute of Product Leadership over the other curriculums that is present in the market. My first advice to all the product manager is to connect with the people every day. Make new connection, get know what they want, what is their aspirants looks like, what's their pain point, what's their goal. So once you get to know all the people, you will come to know what they want, and when you know what they want, you will be able to build what they will need. That's how you can build a nice, good selling product which will sell in the market. So please go ahead and start networking, start connect with the people, get to know the people around you.